This is Tom. Tom has a small flower shop. Every morning, he opens it. He loves his flowers. It is Friday. Tom opens the door. On the step, he sees a coin and a small note. The note says, "One flower, please, for someone special." But there is no name. Tom looks at the street. It is empty and quiet. Who left this? Tom puts one yellow flower on the step. In the evening, the flower is gone.
Next Friday, it happens again. A coin, a note, the same words.
Week after week, the note comes. Tom always wonders, but he never sees the person. One day, Tom writes a note too. He asks, "Who is the flower for?" He puts his note with the flower. Then he waits all day. Next Friday, the flower is gone, and there is a new note for Tom. It says, "For my mother. She is sick. She forgets things, but she smiles at flowers." Tom is quiet. His eyes are soft. Now he understands everything. Tom makes a decision. No more coins. The flowers are free now. He writes, "No money, my friend. Take a flower every Friday. It is a gift." Weeks pass. The coins stop. But every Friday, one flower is still gone. Tom is happy. But one question stays in his heart. Who is this kind person? So one Friday, Tom comes very early. The sky is dark. He hides and waits. Slowly, the sun comes up. The street turns gold. Then, Tom sees something. A small boy walks to the shop. He picks up the flower with care. Tom steps out softly. "Hello."
Huh?
The boy stops. He looks afraid. "The flower is for your mother, yes?" The boy looks up. He nods. The boy comes every Friday, before school. The flower makes his mother smile. That is enough. Now they are friends. One Friday, the boy brings his mother. She sees the flowers. She smiles. Now the shop is never empty. A small flower brought them together. Kindness is the most beautiful flower of all.